Alright, so one of my bikes was bogging and it had it hanging idle, a TTR125, but the problem was inconsistent. It wouldn't always happen. Sometimes it'd do it when I turn the handlebars, sometimes over going bumps and stuff. So I thought maybe the carb was dirty because it had been sitting for quite a few months. Before I spent all that time taking the carb apart and trying to clean it, I want to check for a possible air leak because that can cause a lean condition, which can cause these specific symptoms. So to check for an air leak in the air boot or the intake manifold, while the engine's running, you can spray some carb cleaner or something flammable around it. And if the engine RPM changes, then you likely have a leak. But before I did even that, I just tried wiggling the carb, and that made the idle go higher because there was an air leak. And what I found out is that the hose clamp was digging into the manifold, and you can see right here, it's torn right there. So, whenever the carb would move to a certain spot, it just wiggle around, air was getting in there, and that was causing that lean condition because that extra air, especially when it's on the engine side of the carb, more air is getting in to create a lean air-fuel mixture, and that's causing the bogging, not enough fuel, or the hanging or high idle. So all I needed to do was put a new intake manifold on there, and it starts and runs like new. So if this fixed your problem, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I encourage you to check out my popular video on preventing stalling by using proper clutch control. You can check it out here. This is Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more, so that you can stay safe and have fun for many years to come.